I'm going to be doing a nail design inspired by brush strokes. First, starting off with the nail primer. It's basically alcohol base to just dehydrate your nails so that there's no oil or any kind of liquid on top of your nails so that your gel will stay on even better. First, with a gel based coat, I'm not doing extension this time round. So first I'll be using white color as a base and doing it a few layers. Only for my ring finger, I'll be using a purple color. The color scheme of my nails is going to be more cool tone and more to the purple side. Making sure you add a few more layers of white polish so that it's not translucent at all, especially because white usually aren't very opaque. I'll be adding this brown color to the white mixture, so making the white a little bit more off-white, and I'll only do like 1 or 2 layers on top of my nails. I just don't want the base color to be completely white. Now I'll be adding a clear gel coat on top so that my nails will be more smooth. I want the base color of my nail to be a bit more off-white and at the same time still has a bit of pink tone. So I'm adding this pink polish that is not very opaque. It's like a baby pink, but it's not a very strong color. It is very nice to mix with other polishes. For my ring finger, I'm adding this glitter powder by pressing it onto my nails first. Really press it in with a sponge so that it will stick well onto the nail. Then I'll be adding a gel coat and then a thick top coat. After that, I'm adding in a holographic glitter powder on top again to add even more dimension and even more sparkle to the nail. Of course, the thick gel coat is needed. For your brush stroke, I start off with light pink colour at the bottom, and then I keep building up with different colours of a preferred colour scheme. So there's pink, pastel purple, lilac, and a bit of darker colours too to add more dimension. So ranges from light to dark colour, so that the brush strokes will look more interesting and the texture will be more obvious too. Because of the uneven texture, make sure to use a very thick gel polish at the end so that you can try to even out and smooth out the nail as much as possible. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy, remember to subscribe and leave a like. I always come out with nail designs videos, so you'll see more of this in the future.